Basic English versus Advanced English vocabulary. Sad versus melancholy. Normal. After the movie ended, she felt sad because it was so touching. Advanced. He couldn't shake off the feeling of melancholy that lingered after the funeral. Angry versus incensed. Normal. The customer was angry because the service was slow. Advanced. She was incensed by the rude remarks made by her colleague during the meeting. Tired versus fatigued. Normal. After the long hike, everyone felt tired and ready to rest. Advanced. The athlete was fatigued after completing the marathon in record time. Big versus enormous. Normal. The elephant was big and intimidating. Advanced. The skyscraper was enormous, towering over the city skyline. Small versus petite. Normal. She wore a small dress to the party. Advanced. The room was decorated with petite flowers that added a delicate touch. Smart versus ingenious. Normal. He was smart enough to solve the puzzle quickly. Advanced. Her ingenious plan saved the company from bankruptcy. Funny versus hilarious. Normal. The joke he told was funny, and everyone laughed. Advanced. The comedian's hilarious performance had the audience in stitches. Brave versus valiant. Normal. She was brave enough to confront the bully. Advanced. The firefighters' valiant efforts saved several lives during the blaze. Beautiful versus exquisite. Normal. The sunset was beautiful over the horizon. Advanced. The ballroom was decorated with exquisite tapestries and chandeliers. Clean versus pristine. Normal. After cleaning the house, it was spotless. Advanced. The waterfall flowed through the pristine forest, untouched by human hands. Weak versus feeble. Normal. The bridge was weak and couldn't support heavy vehicles. Advanced. In his old age, his voice became feeble, barely audible.